Okay, so let me get on sports media ass today because it has been annoying me. I watch sports news like Undisputed, Get Up, and things like that because it kind of relaxes me and stuff like that. I need to brush my hair, so yeah, ignore it, people. I'm sorry, but like I noticed today, Shannon Sharp called AB an ass, well, a clown. I feel like that was uncalled for and disrespectful. Like, this guy does not want to elaborate on the fact that he did submit a fake vaccination card because it's a fucking felony. So the fact that media wants to act like he's just avoiding the questions and based on his history, blah, 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 and all this other shit is ridiculous. And Shannon Sharp is just, like, I don't understand his whole gung-ho-ness when it comes to eviscerating black athletes like Kyrie Irving and AB. AB does do a lot of shit. Then it's like the news media, especially black news media, people like Stephen A. and Shannon Sharp, are like, he owes it to speak on it. He created this. Okay. He said what he said, and that's what he said, and that's what you're gonna have to deal with. He's not about to sit up here and elaborate on something that could put him in prison. Like, y'all motherfuckers is crazy. Like, you're crazy. Like, if AB was not as talented as he is, and if Tom Brady was not on his side or the NFL was not backing him, his ass would be in jail. They would make a full example out of his black ass. Totally. So to expect a person to incriminate themselves intentionally is bullshit. And I just feel like the media, especially black media, is just disgusting. I see what Kwame Brown be talking about. Like, y'all eviscerate black athletes. It's pathetic. And y'all make money off of eviscerating black athletes. Not holding them accountable, but just eviscerating their character all the time. Like, it's disgusting. Ew.